Hi all, Naki here. Just recently a friend of mine asked me if I could take a look at a knife of his. He said the handle was damaged and he wanted to see if I could fix it for him. Now, I'm not a knife maker by trade, but I have actually made a couple in the past. So I said, yeah, you know what, I'll take a look for you. And here it is. Now, it's not the knife that's it's written on the box there. That's a really good one. It's actually different, but let's have a look. Now I'm going to go through what is wrong with it first, and then I will talk about what I'm going to do to fix it. So obviously straight off the bat we can see that there's this massive chip out of here, and if we look you can see there's a bit of cracking on this side here, and if we turn the knife over to the other side and I get it right in the camera, you can see there's a massive crack on this side as well. To me that says that there's some serious flex in the handle here, and over time that's what's caused this to happen. As we move further down the knife we can see that the blade has a lot of scratches in it, and the edge has probably seen better days. Turn it over the other side, we can see there are a bunch of scratches there too. My friend tells me that he's been sharpening the knife himself, and while he wasn't very good at it in the beginning, he's gotten a lot better, and to be honest, it's actually a pretty sharp knife. So yeah, he has gotten a lot better. What am I going to do to fix my friend's knife? First things first. When it comes to this edge, I have a sharpening kit. I'm going to use that to put a 30-degree bevel back on this knife. The next thing is I'm going to sand this. I'm going to run through the grits on this, and I'm going to make it so it's got a really good polish on it and it's shiny and there are no more scratches. Both sides. The handle, well, we're going to replace the entire handle with some nice hardwood. I'm going to replace the pins with brass, so that'll be really interesting to do. I'm going to enjoy doing that. Why am I going over this knife? Well, I'm glad you asked. I'm going to be doing a video series on the processes I'm going to use to repair this knife. The videos are going to be made in bite-sized pieces, so I'm going to try to make them in between 5 and 10 minutes. So I'll go through a certain process. Hopefully I'll be able to cram that into 5 or 10 minutes. If not, we might have to have 2 videos on almost the same thing, but we'll see how we go. So that's what I'm going to do. I hope to see you all in the next video. Thank you very much for watching, and have a good one.